students, I am Ms. Vibha from Maa Kalyanika Public School, Pendra Road, Chhattisgarh. In this video, I am going to teach you class 3rd Maths, exercise 2.3. So students, in exercise 2.3, two questions are there. A is write in column and find the sum, and in second question you have to round up the number and find the estimated sum and the actual sum, means the addition is there in this exercise. So see students, we will start with question number 1. Write in column and find the sum. So students, you are knowing how to write in column. This is given just horizontally. You have to write in column. So see, 725. How to write in column? Plus 8095. Students, as I had told you in previous video, you can change the order of the numbers. Means this number you can write first, or this number also you can write first. Means in addition this process is used, but in subtraction you don't have to use this trick, because see, in addition the rule is there, you can just change the order of the numbers. So see, 725 plus 8095, so 5908. You can write this also first, it's your choice. So better to write the first number, bigger number, but you can write in this way also. See here. So see students, you have written in column like this, ones, tens, hundreds place, thousands place. Here nothing is there, here it is there. So now you have to simply find the sum. You have put this in column and now you have to find the sum. So 5 plus 5 is 10. Simply you have to add 1, 0, 1 here, 0 here. 9 plus 1, 10, 10 plus 2, 12 students. So 1, 2, 12. 7 plus 8, 7 plus 1, 8. 8 plus 0 is 8. Now 8 plus nothing is given here, so this is 8. So 8820 is your first answer. So students, the rest are also same, but one more, question number 5 I am going to show you here. So see students, 2150 plus 3889. So you have to write down 2150 plus 3889. So in this way you have written in column students. Now you have to simply solve. Now 9 plus 0 is 9. 8 plus 5, 8 plus 5, 8, 9, 10, 11, 12, 13. Forward counting, okay? 13. Now 8 plus 1 and 1, 2. 8 plus 2 is 10. 1, 0. Now 3 plus 2, 5. 5 plus 1, 6. Yes, very good. So 6039 is your fifth answer. So students, write in column and find the sum is very easy for you. Simply you have to write in column and you have to add the given numbers. It may be 3 digit, it may be 4 digit. Okay. So in this way you can write in column and find the sum. So students, we have to move to the question number B now. So see, what is question number B? Estimate the sum by rounding of the numbers to the nearest 10 and to find the actual sum. So you have to round up the numbers to the nearest 10 and then you have to find the sum. Then you have to find even the actual sum also. So see students, this is the given number, you have to round it off. First one is done, how to round off, but the sum is not given. So first we should add. So 45 plus 22, 5 plus 2 is 7, 4 plus 2 is 6. So students, 45 plus 22, actual sum is 67. Now here what is written? See carefully. 45 rounds up to. Up to means of course nearest 10 here we have to convert. 5 is there in the ones place. So it will come in the range of 40 to 50. Ones place 5 is there. So it will be round up to. Means it will move to the next number. 40 and 50 is there. It will move to 50. So that's why 50 is given. Now 22. 22 will come in which range? Means round up to tens. So 22 will come in between 20 and 30. So rounds down to. Why rounds down to? Up to. What is up to difference here. The actual sum is 67 and the estimated sum after rounding off to the nearest 10, the answer is the 70. So see here the difference. Okay, so 67 if we are rounding off, we are getting 70. Why? Because 60 will come in the range 60 to 70. More than 5 is there, 7 is more than 5. So it will move to 70. So we are getting 70. But it is not true in all cases. It may change. Okay, the actual sum and estimated sum may change, having the variation. See here, 62 plus 11. So 2 plus 1, 3. 6 plus 1, 7. 73 will round up to 70. But let us see what will come here. 62. So what will be nearest 10, student? 62. 70 will be the range and 2 is there, so it will move to 60. Round down to 60 and 70 is the range. Down is there, 60 will come, not 70. Rounds down, again it will come to previous number. 11 is there between 10 and 20. So it will come in 10. So 0, 6 plus 1, 7. So 73 students, of course 73 rounds up to 70 here. But not exact in all cases as I told you. Let us see the next question. 6 plus 5, 11. 5 plus 2, 1, 3. 5 plus 3, 5, 6, 7, 8. 81 is there. So 81 is the number. Now 26 rounds up to. So 26 will come in between the range 20 and 30. 6 is there, more than 5, 30 we will get. So rounds up to, not 20, we are taking 30 up. Okay, not down. So 55. Now 55 will come in which range? 50 and 60. So see, 50 and 60 is there, rounds up to 50 and 60. Now one's place is 5. 5 or above 5, next. So it will move to 16. Okay, so 0 plus 0, 0, 6 plus 3 is 9 students. Okay, see. So here see 26 plus 55, 81 and this answer we are getting. But these all are rounding off. But 81 is not round off to 90 students. 81 is round off to 80 only. 80 and 90 will come in the range. But 1 is there, so less than 5 it will come in 80. So it is not exactly if you are rounding off the two numbers and getting the actual sum and rounding off the numbers are getting the estimated sum will be also the round of each other, round off to the nearest each other. It is not true in all cases. Okay, so see here is the difference. 9 plus 5, 9 plus 1, 10 plus 4, 14. So see students, 4 plus 1, 5 plus 6 plus 7. So 4 plus 2 is 6, 6 plus 1, 7. 74 is the answer. 9 plus 5, 9 plus 5, 9, 10, 11, 12, 13, 14. So 74 is the answer. Now 49 will rounds up to 49 will rounds up to 50. 40 and 50 is the range. 9 is there, more than 5, 50. 25 is there. So 20 and 30. So it will move to 30. Why? Because 5 is there, 5 and above 5 to the next number. So now take the sum, 0, 5 plus 3 is 8. So 74 will round up to 80. No, it is not true. So only round off is first and second numbers. The answers are not round off. See here also the difference. 74 will round up to 70. 81 will round up to 80, not 90. But here 67 will round up to 70 and 73 will round up to 70. So students, it is not exactly that if this is round off, this is round off, the answer will also be round off of the same number. It may be different. So students, in this way you can solve exercise 2.3 question number A and B. So I think it will be very easy for you to solve the rest question of question number A and B. I had solved for you completely. Thank you for watching.